Identity is everything in the tech world. For years, you could spot a Google Pixel from a mile away because of one thing: the camera bar. It was bold, it was functional, and it was uniquely Google. But today, that identity is dead. Welcome to the Pixel 10a. As you can see, the bar is gone, replaced by this polarizing circular module. Why? Why would Google throw away years of brand recognition for a design that looks like this? Is it a technical necessity for the new sensors, or has Google lost its way? In this 30-minute deep dive, we aren't just doing a surface-level review. We're going to tear apart the specs, test the first-ever fully custom Google silicon, the Tensor G5, and decide once and for all if the A series is still the king of value, or if it's becoming a confused flagship clone. If you've been thinking about upgrading, don't move. We're going deep. Let's talk about the aesthetics. This aloe red finish is arguably the most striking color Google has ever released. It's an aggressive, saturated coral that demands attention. The build quality is a mix of premium and practical. We have 100% recycled aluminum rails that feel cold and sturdy. The back is a thermoform composite, high-end plastic, but I prefer it. It's lighter and doesn't shatter like glass. However, the camera island changes everything. It no longer has that stable ramp feel on a table. It wobbles. It's a small detail, but for longtime Pixel fans, it's a massive shift in ergonomics. This is the most important part. For generations, Tensor chips were modified Samsung designs. They ran hot and throttled. But the Pixel 10a features the Tensor G5, codenamed Laguna. It is the first chip designed 100% in-house by Google and manufactured by TSMC. Look at these benchmarks. We see a 30% jump in multi-core performance and 40% better efficiency. In real-world use, the 10A stays cool. I played Genshin Impact for an hour, and it was barely lukewarm. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about the NPU. AI features like Video Boost and Magic Editor now happen locally on the device. This is a privacy and speed win. Google put a 50-megapixel main sensor in here. It's larger than the 9, meaning better natural bokeh and low-light performance. Look at the shadow detail in this night sight shot. Most mid-range phones turn this into a muddy mess, but the Pixel 10a preserves the grain and color accuracy. Even without a telephoto lens, the G5 chip uses AI for super residential zoom. At 10x, it's witchcraft for a $500 phone. In video, we finally have 4K 60 frames per second on all cameras. The active stabilize feature makes it look like you're filming on a professional gimbal, even while walking. The 6.1-inch Actua display hits 2000 nits. It's incredibly bright, even in direct sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rate makes the UI feel like butter. Battery life has always been a weakness for small pixels. But with the G5's efficiency and a 4,700 mAh battery, I'm getting 7 hours of screen-on time. The only downside? 25-watt charging. It still takes over an hour to top up, which feels slow in 2026. So, I don't get it was the initial reaction. But now I think I do. Google is moving from being the budget option to the smart option. The Pixel 10a is a powerhouse in a controversial suit. If you want the smartest AI in a chip that finally lives up to the hype, this is it. What do you think of the design? Is the circle a deal breaker? Let's argue in the comments. If you enjoyed this 30-minute deep dive, please hit like and subscribe. Check the link in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.